Today we're going to be taking a look at what makes up everything around us. So you may or may not be aware that atoms make up everything. So whether it be the curtains, the chair, whatever it is, it's made of atoms. But the thing is, it's not just straight atoms. So it's not just one type of atom. So everything we see around us is a mixture of atoms. So whether it be wood, so that's mainly made up of carbon, but it's also got a bunch of other different elements in it as well. So it's also got oxygen and hydrogen and a bunch of other ones. So everything is made up of lots of different things. So how are we going to mix them? Well, there are two main ways of doing it. So when we chemically combine things, we get a compound, and when we physically combine things, we get a mixture. So in order to try and explain the difference between a compound and a mixture, I'll use a couple of analogies. So if you imagine toast, you burn it in the toaster. So what's actually gone on there is your toast has combined with oxygen, meaning that you get that black layer on the top of the toast. So that has been chemically combined. We can only split compounds with chemical reactions. So you can't take your burnt toast and turn it back into toast. So there was also the second way of combining atoms. So we can combine them physically. Sticking with the breakfast analogies, we can use tea. So a long time ago, tea used to come as leaves, and you had to put it in the water and then just strain off or filter off the leaves. So when you added the leaves, you got a mixture of hot water and tea leaves, and then you would filter off the tea leaves, and filtering is a physical separation process. So we're able to separate out a mixture using physical processes. So I think the key kind of takeaway is that everything around us is made of atoms, but most of it is then combined with other types of atoms. So we had two main ways of combining things. We had chemically combining things, forming compounds, and physically combining things, forming mixtures. And they can only be separated in the same way that they were mixed together. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do consider leaving a like. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.